Hello, my name is Marina, and I'm the CEO and founder of Kanerani. If you want to know more about what is Kanerani, click on the description box. Don't forget to share the video with your friends and turn on the notifications so you don't miss valuable information. And remember, this video is based on my thoughts and opinions. It does not take a degree to notice that the names for groups of people sharing a common skin color, ethnicity, gender, identity, disability, or racial background change frequently, and how the grammar of these names changes too. If you're concerned with using the appropriate terms, you need to see this video. So let's begin. BIPOC, BIPOC, BIPOC is an acronym that is used to refer together to different groups that suffer racial discrimination in the United States. It stands for Black, Indigenous, and People of Color. This last concept is an umbrella that groups non-white people who are also discriminated against, such as Asians or Latinos. So according to the New York Times, the term first started appearing in social media circles in 2013. And according to Google Trends, the use of the acronym started to gain more prominence in 2020. In the wake of the protests over the killing of George Floyd, Breonna Taylor, Ahmaud Arbery, and others, today in the US, minority groups have created new labels for themselves in order to describe their social identities and relationships to power. In 1977, the term women of color was created by non-white women to express the social, political, cultural, and economic solidarity across these groups for increased collaboration and visibility. Loretta Ross called the term women of color a political designation. These new terms are what we call people first terms. A people first term means that we name the humanity of groups connected to their social identity. The intention of BIPOC, or Black, Indigenous, People of Color, is to center the experiences of Black and Indigenous peoples in the United States, and to make a distinction between all the ethnic and racial identities. So now that we've learned what BIPOC stands for and a little bit of the history of this term, what do you think about this term? Did you know about this before this video? If you didn't know, then let me know and leave me your thoughts in the comments. And remember, share this video with your friends and turn on the notifications. See you in the next video.